mesire so wetu baze kumukwata twara mushango bamuteko mushango bokurenderwa kureta driver
Sabito guyahetu mukoti ya Chief Magistrate yabe kurirwa muramuzi George Kunihira nuko kumushomero mushango ogwo butabika abahandiko ebiru kwata ha muntu wabe navuga motoka ye.
When you employ somebody or driver to drive your motor vehicle, you're supposed to keep records, and for the records they mean the driving permit. You get it? That is the main record we are referring to, because I see here which name and driving license of the driver.
Sabiti yageza ho kushaba kwemererwa agumizungu ayine burire bwashikari.
And they suffer from diabetes and hypertension. I never carried my tablets. And as I talk now, I'm not feeling right. It was my humble request. I don't know how to do it. It's my humble request. Yes. That way is done for me.
Omuramuzi yanga kuhurikiruzo kushaba kwe ari kugira ngo muhababe bwa government yabatari mukoti nuko kumusindika ha rumando kusebiri 12 kwezi uko.
So I'm going to adjourn this matter for your bail application. I'm going to give you a date that we shall hear the bail application. Understood? Have you understood what I'm manifesting?
Meaning
for today, we shall hear the bail application. I'm going to remind you to the nearest date available for the bail application. That is what I'm saying.
Omugenzi banura akatomerwa taxi ari kushohora motoka ya government ya Toyota Hilux namba UJ00008 gasha kwa Nwagaba Ambrose Katoto.
Webare Nwagaba Ambrose Katoto abakozi b'emirimo hetariye mwenemwe bazibira abagore okutaha omukidaro kumarisha 10 barukwenda ngo babanze bashashure sente zabo akagwaka kabo muruti ara Asama Hotel aho mu Rembo urwambarara.
Abatahi b'ubugenyi nibo barebera kutangara bwa nyuma yo kubime byo kuriya ebyo kunywa kandi bakabazibira no kutaha umukidara bwa nyuma y'abakozi b'emirimo kwesharinga ngo umukama w'imbaga banza bahereza sente zabo. Embageji ne ya Nyakojo Raymond orukuruga muzira Nyakasenyi mu Rubahando mu district ya Kitagwenda owagitwa na Maxensi ya namanya bita abaho bagera kurugira hari Nyamitanga Cathedral okwikara Asama Hotel aho Embageji yakorerwa bashanga batahi b'imbaga bashubangirirwe hataruhonekero kugendo misho. Owebyo kuriya yayanga kubyihura, owebyo mayanga kubitera, owebyo kunywa yaberemera, owebishanu we yabataka bwine na 10 kando wa decoration we yahikana hakomo mu guha muryango gw'ikidara bo n'abantu babanje sente nyamwingi barukwenda mukamo w'ubugenyi abanza bashashureho nangwa cyumo cya kabiri.
Nyowenka service provider ecyandeta no kunaho ubuhinza mutima aha mukoro nkogu hato umuntu yakupangise ngo mukore kintu kandi akenda ngo funding sente already yakwire kintu nanamanya ngo eze sente za kuhereza nizo kuba no expecting kukozesa uko muntu kore mirimo ye yakuba pangise kunga ware yagira ngo nayenda ngo funding
kuzabasha ikumene cicweka mukama w'ubugenyi yagambaho nabamwe hari bakama bibinte biyaba naza kukoresa abamwe yabasayiningira za check nuko kwicereza batyo bakatandika kutebekana se byo kurya no wabatiro mu guhaca dara kagwiyaho konke byo nayo byazakorerwa binjo mu batahi b'ubugenyi baba batahire
kwa mukorwa Raymond na Max Raymond abitwa aza bayenda kuri maga batashashire balance twasharo kuchikolding omukoro batakatahiremo kubasendeze kubanja izikubanjwa nyinshi kandi taruho ingeri yo kuzishashura kuno aya abantu nibijya bambabanja twasharo kushinga tenti kuzibira bafutamo kuba bantureba ngo amasoko tabongera itarashashura twikirizana ngo naza kuba nashashura balance yene yasigayo mu wiki ibiri obutarinza wiki ibiri
owake kuwe yagire ko mu motoka okusyasha 11 zo mwebazyo oba mushashuraho miliyoni 1 nabo akasigara nabanja noko kubaho mugato gwabaguti nebyana byago
so twishirizana nabo nanguba kandi benda keke yo kuhanginga ke konka it was a harakasha to this week naheza kubereka ngo tindi kuza gukora keke yabo because ahakiki twishirizana miliyoni 2.4 bakabampa 2.20 mbweni kanta kosa kwishiriza guteka keke intine center list zo kosa kujenanta kukoresa zo kugura ibyo kosa guteka keke sales so KKG ibicare ya Saturday ninjiteka week before kunkaruka borura kashatu batakweteza orura nagamba nabo yanyerikana kumba sente nazo narenjero nakatazimbire mu mwazi gorura kanana bwo mureba yijana miliyoni yanyerika mu nako bwo mutwaro mafanisho 3.15 hakeki ya miliyoni 2.4
abakozi bemero maba hamwe na mukamo bugenyi no barabe bahandike endagano ngo abashashure sente zabo butarenze sabiti 2 twasiga bacero kucise vitamino bategerize ngo embaga kwerahwe bamutwara ha polisi abanza handike cyandiko okugira ngo atakabejura nyesi abakarujira maho
twikirizana bwanyuma yo kwetera bambere bafuna yo miliyoni twikirizana ngo basete nzira keke empango yaha mu boxes z'amaboko niyo ndabasete nzira y'amadara 5 rero side cakes zirekire kubara pereze balance mutwara 3 mbendwe nabahirwa side cakes
kandi besheje tubaze kuri mwene Yosef nakwakira mukike naje tunakushimira umuhora
wow abatura bebyara bishatu umugombora ya Cyamuhungo mu Rushenyi district bariyone betombwitira a company y'abachina abatahirire misiri yabo bakacicecereza abantu bakora yemermo yo kutimbe feza kandi abaturana bagira ngo abachina barenjere nshaho ensharo bacecereza misiri y'abatura
abebyanga bishate birimo ryabagaju tubona tubazi umurucampunga bishenyi boretsero butashemera bw'abachina abizere na za tractor bakashishagura ibihingwa byabo ubu barkuronde feza
anje nebihingwa byanje bimbe nahinjire ukora ibintu bitabukwa gureda kandi abantu abarutabike misiri yanje takumanya ibakurga bimba byanje babisisire ebinkubasa kuba nakubire nsharire nkabire nyiremu emitoro yanje nkacenana nabansarwiri konkati babisisire aho kwaba batimpine
itwantuku bahotuta government izate mukone tuyambe turondo kuturabeho amizi gona bahinjire amizi tunywe byagana edomora twajigarayo itwanturondo kuturabeho
ukwetombe itoko kwa bahari tubazi aho bashanga abachina barkushisha emisiri yabo
kandi ubwo bandu faringa nagize ofitire namba zizisumu zabura kurabamo konka bo bangira ngo baza kugamba nawe dene bangarukire with immediate effect okutarenga izobere kandi nanyona ni intekateka ngo yarenga izobere niza kubasamoninga ningasi office zikunsingaho eziruma za district no biza bakikakintu eki turebe okutura handoringe ninga twatereza abantu bitu
abatura nibenda bebembezi babo okubahwera omunshongeje
itwe kabantu baburizo okwiza kw'abachina hatwagobaki no kumwe mwakwate msorito twagobaki
nyo kabe ni shaba government tuyambe na nabakuru aba MP nabandi batuyambe batwere ku muhanda ugurugo gwenyini okuturaganyirumwe
abebembeza begombora nibagira ngo tubaretegereze uko abachina ba beisero mwanyogo okutandika kutimbe feza
nekyo nkintegana samunonga nyonka head of security no kushanga ngunyine amahe agundu koraga kumira abantu abo agarmu UPDF garmu military kunkanyonka head of security yogombora tindu kucumanya
gashakwa Ben Mhozo mu Rushenyi
abashubuzo mu town council ya Rwimi mu district ya Bunyangabo nibetombwitira council ahabwo kushenyo bujubwabo abantu bagira ngo tubinaho kora kandi ngobo ngo numo babire nabihentasya
abashobozi bagira ngo nubasibo mu makagabo batineho kora bwanyuma y'obuju bwabo okushenywa bakanso
abakazi twina abana tubasomesa twine ebitebe za loni hati bayikalire mu kantu balirwanka kale bayitsana mupaka tuiketwine abasubuzi bali hano mpaka matundara henkaito kutufunira netwe ekyokulya hati bona babagara enyuma nituruha paka mbere iziye itu nk'abandi tugenda kugoboramu business zaitu ziri harimo na paka hatu agenda kora tu neza roni tujya roni tukweye hasa zino abana bitu fees tukashashura fees tubana banana fees tukajya roni ya every day hasa zino roni ya every day na nibija tutandika kweshereka tutunese ya sero
ole tubereho tubeterizo umwanya turumutanga tujakora beja batahira tuli abatugamba tuye ibintu batwebira umusanju kainora ibintu byokweya tushali basigazi akwa mwana bende kupangisize niyo lose ituli meje yokorora sarude tonge twateka na sentezi nzokunga senyule chifo na habweki tinkumanya kinkumage chinko kizire obusase bw'inkale butuyine
James Mpanga tabonekera ko warwimi tabonekanso nagira ngo abashubuzi bamanyengwe kikozurwe mu mateka
Yombeko bitali mateka tukabahandikira tabamanyisa 3 weeks back. In fact, we were even further, but with the coming of the directive from the president, the city, towns, zone, all urban centers, we wrote again to these people about 3 weeks. Ato we that was by 7th. Basanga bamaze kuyame twabagambira. Abatayiremu tuze twabayama kubihama. Njokora tucharo amana wena wa chapati around the streets. Mayabano ba komando babona
sogo mwanya gono gw'abantu abo bone soko shiftinga kubareta na twatanika gukora kandi go mwanya ninje gono gusinga nakatara kutwine akantu enda gukora steps 3 eje ya ibure twatandika twine kongeraho deni wanoreba ahansa kumarirayo umuhanda ukagarukire kuno kuri abakuri bayotombita gutaro umuhanda so umuhanda twenda gwiriza ifa kuri niko side ya kuno na habantu ba hotel bombe ko bujubwa bakurunji abena fezi yo ruguru naho twaboneza
yosi yakure prana wataona kanso ya rwimi yashobora zima hantebe kanise zitebe kanise yebwe okutungure tauni ya rwimi
looking at our town at night because light is a very serious catalyst for development, so everyone is not just lighting for security but for beautification. So we also pushing the fifth agenda, which is about lighting. So when you put all these together, you'll be able to see a very clear, orderly and sustainable Rwimi during day and night.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.
Webare Gilbert Muhanguzi reka tumire tugaruka nagandi.
Movit All Day Toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Busaza Health Center ya Kashatu kutungurwa kuzahidari ya Health Center 4 omuri Kisoro.
Agarukurataho gabanaga kushikibwaho. Movit All Day Toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Manager,
ogito wagito konka batu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ achumwe nawe yaringe byoma tugumiseze shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turwo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara keke tukazakunywa mbogo
na wapensiyo na nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje otwiro inecyetengo cyo kushuma obunasi obuzarisa Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa obunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomere nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi hari Mbarara Community Hospital ija uyetunjira bukugu okwandika beja basya kuri ni kugenda omumisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju munana mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal
Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health
Murengero izuba inko ekitongore kiri gukora byoma bihangaze ebyo murembe mbaba murembo rwambarara na nebyoma nka water pumps ziri kukozesa amashanyarazi ez'amajuta neza soda ezo kudibiko mizi neza hihi bakwinire angle grinders enchene mpango compressors rita 15 okusia rita 500 cutting discs ezebyoma diamond na wood omumbechi reba wall chasers concrete vibrators na za pokers marble cutters spray guns heat guns blowers rotary hammer na drillers ebyamanda n'amashanyarazi abaseveya inkebinire level distance detectors empangazi derimo aba welding tubaretireza inverter welding machines hamwe n'ibindi binji ebyo kose byoma akasente kace ahaduka yetu Mbarara High Street ahashungire na Highway Restaurant ijo yerebere
ebyo kwemeka byongera koroba tankwanjurire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byo kwembekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ibindi binji kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalore tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo rero bakwinira amatafari ga buri muringo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta Double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri Mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakoza technology rispiria eco nabyombecyese cyangare nkabendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 Mbarara Kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 cyenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke
ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwami mazumorya hano bari bategerizo mu mbagano mangwe shazakiri wansugo mu motoka iriyo nenyusi yo ngwija hakunywa
mucyara unam utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano ejo kamufondorira kahurire
konka mwami tera chairman wembaga akongeze yo nako kishahemu ito twe tuyo no diplomat akatuka kanusira hanga waje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara n'abagine diplomatic ebindi byayenda bireje bigende n'abagine n'intere
ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha entangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena muri tukinda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojona bishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 85 okwera cyenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners Hayes Recruitment niyo company esinjira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo iyo bujunanizibwa omwaka oguterize okwehandikisa no free registration amataji gitu gona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga neinga not mushanju ina itano
orero tomurungi nobwibuka echiro chisisira chireche rose from nempaka sheshe karonji Para see a rose spring, a rose fall. jini biti Tokuro busas mukasheshi Nikuko masaji ngomu chuna
Werare nko mwerere n'umfaratsi gw'omutendo kandi nuguhanga omugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecha orukwenda Resform ensi y'ebiroto birungi
Korkayum Kahumro, Assistant Commissioner wa Reproductive and Infant Health Ministry y'ebyamagara Dr. John Paul Bagala yayanjura amakuru go kutungura Busanza Health Center ya Kashatu na Health Center ya Kana okombe kishemerezo okukwire kandi obundu buhereza buriyo nubusha kureta umwirwa reri kutandika kusiyo buhereza aha abantu home district ya Tsoro.
Dr. Bagara Paulo agambere bwabira tayire Busanza Health Center ya Kashatu okoreba umurimo gwo kombe kishemerezo ahirwa reri.
Still there are some challenges still at Busanza, and one, it's an infrastructure challenge which we've realized. The patients are there, but the staffing also was a challenge. As government, we've recruited more staff through our district local government.
Ugashoborira hantebe kanisa za government ezo kuhandika bashahobona okwetorera ihanga naho hureji yahika.
The value of digitization is twofold. That one, we're able to digitally capture the patient information. When that patient is referred from Busanza to Chisoro, the person in Chisoro is able to retrieve that information that you submitted in Busanza very easily.
Borekero kwacu habwa amarura ragaru kwakira bariro kurwo mahanga gataragamwe na gamwe ekiro kuretere mubazi yarakokwaho
kugira ngo twegeranye ibihugu bibiri y'u Rwanda na DRC no mugisha wo kugira ngo twebwe tumeze neza bagenzi bacu bashoboye kuza aho turi kugira ngo babone ibyo buhereza.
Nka x-ray machine ntabwo yari yashigikirwa neza ngo itangire gukora, ariko batwijeje ko mu gihe gikwiriye cyavuba iratangira gukora. Theater ati Busanza iyo iratangira icyumweru gitaha kuko abakozi bose abari batahari.
Hona batura borekero kwatwa ho ahabo byamagara kutambura kuba mucanga iki.
Hano sa itatu ariko naneza sa ntabwo nabone dagara kandi narare ngo batraining bose babone kugira imbaraga.
Gashoka keta tuzarirwe.
Abari kushubura amatungo ne mugutaha umucange cankone na Ryantonde nibashagwa okongera umutindo ahamshuburo yabo aba nibijukirwa ngo eki cyakorwa nicija kongera akatare umwuga gwabo.
Abarukushubura enyama hamwe n'emiguto mucanga ca ankore hamwe na Ryantonde bashomesibwo kubine kongera umutindo ahamshuburo yabo okushomesa okukubira hambuga nkuru za district ya Mbaro muri Kamukuzi kandi kwebembirwa abajecerwa okurwo ministry y'obushubuzi amakoro hamwe n'ibine byabegisire.
So we expect that Ankole will have a very strong cluster which will assimilate to the structure at the national level and be able to discuss standards. We want proper standards to be disseminated to all abattoirs.
Abarukubaga bashabirwa kubaga kurunjo butashisha mpu ezo kubasa kuruga mu entasi ndijo.
First of all, to ensure that all the leather is properly collected and aggregated for us to be able to improve and add value to them and be able to earn revenue from that leather which is being wasted. We have gone around all abattoirs and we have seen that they lack training.
Abetabiro mushomogo nibagera ngo baganyirwe mu cango ngo kandi biguceramisho kutandika gukora.
Abattoirs twashanga twine omugisha muhango okubasa kwegita nkabeterinde enkwezo twaziha omuyi twaiza kuratira ibiragiro byo kuzibagake aha mutindo gurukwetingwa then tuzirundane izi ka cooperative abandi bono kukikora eshonga y'omutindo n'eshonga y'amani abo kuba engite kugaheyo yani kire yabo mutindo omuntu logically naza kugura yaheyo.
So Burundi twakodise kuri umunyu shara no baga entemwemo omuzo ndashaka wiki abantu batakoze siko gasitiro.
Amakoraga gashakwa Ali Waswa.
Webaire Ali Waswa bejo mu district ya Shema baraburwa okutomutuma ahabyo obuhingi n'obulisango abo kuba ne rorchizi ruihanga.
Ebyagambwe eriizooba Ankole Western University abantu bashohoze ebirugiro mu bigezo by'abeegi abari kushoma obuhingi n'obuliisa ebihereze kushohozebwa ekitongore ekya UVTAB. Mbabazi ebi awo esinzira ihanga lyona n'obucweka 99
to reward for the first time, I think in the history of Ankole Western University, our best performing students at the national level. The AR has already mentioned that we had the best performance in diploma in animal health, whose pass rate was at 99.6.
Institution zones offering agriculture-based programs. We are the best by 99%. So that is very high.
Urukurebe mshomahar Ankole Western University yahaye ubutumwa ubumuhirwe urwebembere kitongore cy'urukukurebe byiza by'amatendekero agaheguru.
Extend the appreciation from UVTAB when I was requesting for the documents of the students who had completed. The executive director, the executive secretary himself moved from his level down where the transcripts are being made and mentioned what I think I should also mention before you, that this is the largest center they have in the country that should not be.
Umwaka ukwire awo yakashoza beji rukomeye cyane na mshanjo ombibyo buhinja n'oburisa.
Is that we retain maybe 5 so that we keep them as teaching assistants to support you, the teaching staff, but also we support them to upgrade and do their bachelor's and maybe they proceed also to do their master's.
Abejo mnana abakozere kurunjo Mbabazi ebi barongorwa.
Ani batushomesa ebintu bya hand zone kare confiding kitabo kwa mashome byo bushaho mushango kubasa kwekora wargaho tabuza kushangano za kurondo murimo kuno kongo kubasa kwetandikira nka drug shop wabo in license.
So what made me perform better is the courage that is given by our lecturers and our fellow students, because we are always encouraged every day.
In our facilities, computer labs, science labs, with all the equipment that you can think about that human agriculture created.
Gashakwa Maiko atwachire omurishema.
Obade Maiko atwachire abarukura police n'empomo mwihanga bashabirwa kwebembera ehuru okureba ngo bacendezo kujanjara kwendwara ya sirimu akakonko n'omushija ombihomo kushaboku kuhirweyo Barbara Masinde orukora nka Chief State Attorney and the Global Fund Coordinator office ya Director of Public Prosecutions in Uganda.
Barbara Masinde ayiriyo kushaboku amushomo gwekiro kimo gutebekanisiibwe ekitongore kya government ekya Directorate of Public Prosecutions ahari Gongo Country Hotel omurembo Mbarara. Omushomo ogu gwetabirwa mu bakuru ba police abebihome n'abanyabaragiro ababugwizoba kandi gubire gugenderire kutendeka abakuru aba okuba kubasa koresa office zabo kurwanisa endwara ya sirimu eyakakonko n'omushwija ombehome.
So all the people who are responsible for interacting with suspects at police and prisons were invited to this meeting. Why? To bridge the gap of knowledge in terms of human rights, as well as those barriers which we are saying are impeding access, uptake and retention of health services in the criminal justice system. So that was the major area we were addressing, to share information, build the capacity, so that as we go forward implementing the program, the heads of the districts in all the different institutions are aware of their role.
Okurijiraha reporter eshomrwe Dr. Shaban Mugerwa orukora nakachiko ka Uganda AIDS Commission okujanjara kwa kwendwara ya sirimu ombehome kuri ahabuchweka 15 aharigana kandi ginekeraho emirundi 3 akujanjara kuyanga ryona.
That's why we are saying, why is it 3 times the national average in the prison setting? You find the prevalence of HIV is slightly higher, meaning these suspects or inmates are more vulnerable to HIV compared to the general population. That's why this project was designed to, are there barriers to accessing services that these people are facing, and therefore they are not benefiting from the funding from the global fund, but also government of Uganda funding. So that's why we have singled them out and said let us now work together.
Abahona nabagira ngo omushwija gwensiri nakakonko nabyo nibyeyongera ombehome bya Uganda.
I felt bad when that was said, but it's a fact. So we appreciate those who are giving us the fund, but should we remain, the question, should we remain on the list of the negative things? No. So you are charged to go back and fight, to go off that list.
Colleagues, I say human rights is very, very complicated. Because the solution would be that can't this person be isolated? And okay, assuming that the person is isolated, can this person not be stigmatized?
Our TV West and Abdul Karim Sengendo.
Chinaganda makuru reka tumireho tujagarukanago.
Katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nako hamutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munyweco katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi ine chama chayo muhute katochi yerya hamutindo. Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu rukunjiri kandi kwehandikisa nukugendo misho. Tera inamba zesimu 0772 9 0
When you don't use Momo, you get insulted by strangers. Save yourself from insults. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5K. That's the power of Momo.
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you need for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Kana yugabu nduguza makasente kake naheza naguza makasente kingiho ka Aroni ba twikirizana nayombeka menjo jiji wena namugireba nakora mune bindi bintu nashomesa abana ahabwa kasente ka Aroni ka yugabu so ninyeta emyeto abashaija abakazi uje tweyumbero mu igabu etwe sente tubinje ubworo
igarabu wejo tifa masako igabu eiziro kwera omukutungwere ntasiya yawe shanje butare chamuhunga bushenyi district ningoma tajigitaga buhejo na kanunka branches omuri buhejo district na kagarama branch omuri kagarama town council ntungamo district tera not mushanje munana mukaga not 13 not 2
Yantore School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jibwena abahiriza sini ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwa handitsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarsa na lab technology omwejero kwenda umwanya oshemere kubukikiro kubara no rujungu hamwe nebya science iwo kwenda kushoma diploma oshemere kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka 2 mu field burumweje na hawo mugisha gwo kushoma gan mashomo ga teknolojia kumwonjero mugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruko mugiro bwira eishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kumayibiri kukira hotera no tumshanje 8 mukaga nshanju ni 3 nshanju ni 5 ashatu na 4.
Let your child's aviation dream come to reality with Uganda Aviation Academy. Uganda Aviation Academy invites applications for May 2026 intake for the following courses: flight operations and dispatch, airline cabin crew, airport operations, airline customer services, foundation in travel and tourism, cargo introductory courses, aviation security awareness, IATA, GDs, fares and ticketing, aviation management, quality security awareness, safety management, travel and tourism consultant, teaching and instructional techniques. We are certified by IATA and UCAA. Pick application forms from our offices: Kampala, Metropole House, 6th floor, Entebbe Road, or 0393 10 66 62. From our website www.ugandaaviationacademy.com or from this radio station reception.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire echo shuwa. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Kayemuka humura mguruso myaka 8 mugombore ya mabare mu district ya Kagadi bimushobira bwenju erhacho kumugwera ugunasha babanyambabazi ho kumuhwera katunga aho kutomtwe.
Henry Kachimanya orukumanywa nkanero ko mutura wa Kamuyango mugombora ya mabare naturo mu bwoba ahabwenje yarukutura mwere hace kumugwera ogunatura wenka kandi nashaba abanyambabazi okumuhwera katunga ho kutembaju
akwenda rugwe bakso kujwale wiki utakuba nkusaba kugamba kebintu ina nkwanje
obuzibu bukurugira nka kusanga utayinenju kandi ekikyamara bwire
kusanga utayinenju ngabangine nge yagwa
ekagwadiyo gambega makugulwaire aine mwene wabo akamwa hano ya mweza itaka ubu yali muhairi itaka eryo cyaba nikimanyisa muzee hakoze khafuka waye hati bene babo baruze acheka heri na nejo chekere bamweta muje tugende twerezeki hantu handi hano ubyo yayange ona inda ikalenka waye
abanyambabazi kurwo mu Kapiata Foundation ekitongore kirukwera abantu abatine kiyamba nabashaba babona abine kibino kwataraho mugurusogu.
Our first appeal kugenda mu ba Kapiata bagenzi baitu then abanywanyi baitu abatuhangara nabo abanyire mbere turugire na banyire mbere tukujya then nsiyona abantu abakusobora kujya mukatkwatiraho tukatandika kukwata habomezi bw'abantu abali mu mbere zitakwegone sankazini.
So kitukozire I think ebitumuletere atugambire kyakusinga kwetaga akwetaga enjuho kurara haroho omuntu aija namuroraho hali mutabani na wali kubi aija namuroraho baitu agambia kwetaga enju kwihakyo kintu muhaireyo sukali kilo na sabunu
amakuraga gashakwa Thomas tumwebaze.
Uganda Matters Primary School esenjere mpaka zo kwajana ningashi debate ezamashomero hagariya hamusenje gwekereziya haga parish muri Nyamitanga ezitebekanisiibwe n'ekigendererwa cyo kwera beji omushomo yabo no kutungura omutindo gw'orujungu omu mashomero.
Empaka ezihindira hari St Helens Nyamitanga kandi ahibihwerire Uganda Matters etwire ekikopo ubwo eri kusinga amashomero gari kuhika 10 agari hansi ya parish ya Nyamitanga.
Life is a debate. Do you know that? Yes. It is a debate. A debate between what is right and what is wrong. As you debate about preserving environment, how to implement the Laudato Si as given by our Holy Father, how to be good friends of environment, that you don't harm the environment and the environment does not harm you.
Most of us, we have learned very many new things. So when we go, let us continue with the spirit, and what we have got here, it should continue.
Banaba batiri mubwire nicyo twenka tutiri mubwire nangwa twatamuna other resources ezo kureba ngo abana baba level 18 no kugira ngo umwe limitations bazuruho konka we have even more teams twine teams ezuru kurenga hezi kubasa gukora ikindi kintu kirungi munonga mu debate.
Abebembiro kutebekanisa empaka ezi nibagira ngo bine ekiteekateeko cyo kuzigumizamo mpaka harengo rwa archdiocese.
The people who live in it are not even allowed to shape it. Honorable members, today we stand to reflect the truth. Leadership is service.
The main role as to why we organize this debate tournament, it's because we are trying, as the Archdiocese of Mara, we are not only trying to impact religion and religious skills amongst our children, but we're also looking at things like improving on their public speaking skills, communication skills, and confidence.
So when you cut a tree, it's like you are cutting your brother. So you must make sure that you preserve a tree because it gives you oxygen, not so? And you give it carbon dioxide, not so?
Also say that people actually going to people depend on these activities, but then we actually identify that as a problem in today's debate. If they actually depend on this, why is it then a problem in today's debate? So chair,
okurigera habahango byobwegese okwajana ningashi debate nugumwa miringe rukwera bejo gukora kurungi hamwe no kurugamwa bebembezi banyensya abarukumanya kushobora ahabwa TV West ndera akiza.
Webare akiza amashomero agarukushomesa abana babishi rizoba nubwo baje kuzahekero cy'abakazi kandi umukoro gwakorwa hari Aisha Girls Secondary School abebembezi habaika hamukorogu bayoreka ecetago eco konjera kurinda abakazi bagumze ngo nubakireba omumbera egumere.
Guests, as we celebrate the International Women's Day here at Aisha Girls High School,
okuja kuzekereki habamo okweshongora ebyeshongoro nokayo ebikwato n'emizano byona birukoreka emturre y'abakazi.
Uganda initiatives in the SLAIC Girl Child Program have shown a remarkable impact because girls who attend school are able to delay marriages and childbirth, have healthier families and communities. Therefore, when girls thrive, communities thrive. No longer shadow, waiting for the light. Every girl deserves to soar, to claim her rightful might.
bakuru bishomero bajango batebekanisa omukorogo koreka bebemezi ngo abana abisiki bakire nibaraba omumbera egumere.
hana Aisha Girls turiyo tukuza kandi tu celebrating ebintu bishato muri kimwe. Women's Day ekabaho kige kisibo twasharaho nguka tugitekera izoba abana babase kushemererwa mbuyire bwabo bashemererwe.
Erizoba ni nsima Aisha Girls bo ku empowering women, girls to be women. Abachara ni bachira tunagira najiro kweko kani nsima Aisha Girls abo kuba netwihayo, and it shows us our rights. Kwegama Aisha Girls is the home of women.
Bana abana tebakoma kwebyo byemulabye wabula basomera ddala n'ekitabo kya Allah Quran n'ebintu ebirala. We have a dual curriculum.
Wana bazire bashabwa okonja amana omukushagika ebyokushoma k'omwana w'omushiki kumwombekere nyensya egomere.
Ati abicitwine nka 250 konka ntuchenda abandi tongera abana kandi ekindi ky'amani no kuba mayisango tuturukwakira bicha abasilamu bonka.
Abwa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon.
Ntugarukana makuru hagebye msana.
When you don't use Momo, you are forced to quarrel.
Mama kabalansi? Nkuwaire 15. Mama, nkuwaire 15.
Ompaire 15.
Abantu abakulu matandisa obuyayo mwena.
Obuyayo obulira.
Iwe.
Ngobi yanko
aba mu Mbabazi sente dange ninzade kolera ngobi nakolera sente dange.
Save yourself from quarreling. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wherever you are, whatever your reason, it's on SuperSport all season long. Get and stay connected to DSTV Compact and GoTV Super Plus with Kawiki available on DSTV and GoTV.
There's a new way to keep your breath fresh all day. Introducing Movit All Day Toothpaste, meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal. And the herbal delivers natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Movit All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Here's how I sip on Mirinda today and spread those smiles, please. Sip on Mirinda today and show your smile, please. No one smiles back at you, so come on, smile, please. Spread the smile.
Omakuru g'ebyemizano ligi yabulenje rizoba eyo muzano gwa basketball rizoba yagaruka mu kuzanwa ahabwa season y'omulundi gwa kashatu ahabwa omwaka 2026 empaka ziguraho n'emizano 5 aho Ntare School ya Singambara University mu mizano eyiguraho.
Season ensike 2026 y'empaka za Western Basketball League yegurwaho mu butongore rizoba n'emizano 5 aho timu ya Ntare School yatandika emizano egi n'endigito y'amaani eriko gutora Bambara University of Science and Technology aha bigoba 8 hari 67. Ntare School yaruga enyuma okwebembera omuzano ogwo n'ogusinga nibagira ngu bakozesa omuzano ogwo kwetebekanisiza final y'empaka za basketball ez'amashomero ga senior ahabwa ekyanga kya Ankore omu final erije kubaho nyenkyakare barikureetana tiimu ya St. Joseph's Vocational School omu district y'Ibanda.
ahandi timu ya Mbarara University of Science and Technology irizoba tibyabagendera kurunji barokusingwa muzano gwa kabiri aho baterwa na Kivale abasingira empaka season ehwire kandi aba basingwa muzano go ahabwo batanu na mukaga hari gatanu na 2.
Preparations stancheka na capacitation kizirongwire impamyango y'iki season twayongera twakoze season yawire tubasa kuyongera tuka finals ninga kusinga uko target yitu nechikopo ongana tuka finals ishimeshonga as long as haro improvement kuruga season yawire.
They were good. We didn't expect that game, keeping in mind that we played them last year in the semi-finals. So, but we came prepared. For us, this win means a lot for us. First of all, it's also going to take us back to work because we came with a lot of assumptions.
Omizane ndijo na Kivale City yasinga St. Joseph's Vocational School Panda ahabwo batanu na bitanu harya na bishatu ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West AGACENCWIRE.
Webare Edwin Ram timu z'amashomero zirimo Bon Council Chibingo Girls hamwe na Ijumo Progressive nizo zarabaho kuzomuzana orwa semi-finals z'empaka z'ompira gw'ebigere hezabishi hez'amashomero ga senior bwicanga echa Ankole.
Bon Council Girls Secondary School okurabaho kuzomu semi-final basinga St. Andrews Rubindi na gori ibira haryemwe omuzano gwa quarter final omumpaka ziriyo zigendo misho muri banda kandi abahateni bije kuritana na timu ya Kibingo Girls eyasinga St. Catherine na gori na harzero kandi semi-final zezi nizije kuzanwa izobe rya nyencha karomu kasheshe omizane ndijo Ijumo Progressive ba champion ba Mitoma basinganya bare na gore mu harzero okuhika mu semi-final omurondo go kubanza kandi abana bije kuzana n'umusinguza hagati ya Shema Girls hamwe na Kinoni High School abo quarter final yabo yachereza bwa kuzanwa ahabwe mishango timu za hiko mu semi-final nizije kwegitwa hezindi ibiri okukora timu mukaga ezirije kurabaho kujwekera Ankole omumpaka za Uganda yona omumpaka ezirije kutebekanisa bwo mu district ya Mukono okwezo korokwija gasha kwa Aloysius Byamukama.
Webare Aloysius Byamukama nuko tubasa kwisyaho amakuru g'ebyemzano na namakuru gona AGACENCWIRE Mbabazi yogu agane tujaga kwisyo nyencha kare shabirizo Mbabazi ntwenda kwenjeza sande eyihorere na Mbabazi Charity na Loice Gavah marare kurunje
kuru ne kushibwaho refined fortified blended pure vegetable cooking oil second best to a mother's love
echiro chisisira chirireche rose from ne mpaka sheshe karonji
AGACENCWIRE kireki obugenyi bwo kugitwa bwatoroga bwanyuma y'abakozi bemeramo kuzibira abagore kutaho mu kidara ho muri Mbarara
twasharaho kukikodinga umukoro mutagatahiremo kubasindizo kubanjwa ni nyinshi
mukama wa taxi yatumire mukuru w'entebe ya district ya Kikube yakwatwa abaturabe byaro bishatu mu Rushenyi nibetombutira abachina abatahira amataka gabo
itwe nk'abantu baburizo okwiza kw'abachina hatwagobaki
emito y'amakuru yabane kushibwaho refined fortified blended pure vegetable cooking oil second best to a mother's love
echiro chisisira chirireche rose from ne mpaka sheshe karonji
kiri kurataho
Chajirwe
bana Uganda mwena mwebale kusima bachogera Hub Products olakufuga zendwadde z'ensusu zonna tunyiriza bato n'abakulu era basimye empereza yaffe tulese bipya ku katale
leka ekiroto ky'omwana wawe okukola omubyenyonyi kikirire na Uganda Aviation Academy twamibwe ayata na UCAA.
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na when you don't use Momo, you get insulted by strangers. Save yourself from insults. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo. Omupuroguramu egi obuhabuzi bw'omuzire n'obwetaago.
Production.
Nitoro kurenje muhenemera mundenga
ego bambi
ibintu bimwe bifwe bimwe timbikaho bisisi karemesere nico kimwe
ko kukigamba nkireba
okuteka rego aho kwara rego aho koze mwenu shko kuri ntayambirwe mawa ko kurya ngira ngo mbwenu kurindaye
mbwene ko gitwire mu wenga
kanje tura munyenga ndyo
kabitanguhi
mbwenu irizoba umutima guca mbishona kazi ngugo yamara imyezi nk'eshatu kuyi
yego bambi
ibintu bibiri yo nibifwa umutima gunja mu mazima jinduze kumwanganura
nze cyo riyo noza gukora n'ikintu kirunje munonga abantu twenda ntushobye atari umuntu atarukushobye konke cyukuru no kusasirana
nambwe ndiyo ninza kumusasira
yego bambi
ndiyo ninza kumusasira
umusasire
mbwenu nyebuza ndimbweshuri uza kuhangana katagenda wenka Zayundeba mama. Ubu ni mama mama.
Ego bambi.
Ndi mama. Tubiti twaza kugendana. Nawe tabambi. Ubu nuguma guraga. Turiyo ntuza kwanga.
Nga icyo rero naza gukora n'ikirunje munonga.
Sinjirinde.
Bambe.
Iwe shine kinoza heko namba kuyigwire namba ko.
Mbene nyose bana wundi kuzanyoti ndukwamanya.
Ninchi
nanyekane byamaka
nibyamaka bambi nibyamaka shamaka gatubera ki
mbwenu nyo nango mushija wanje atura amahanga niyo atura nakora
ninkimanya niyata
hati nyishanjiro mushija cyaraho
utyo
ntandika kukoregana nawe umagezi
koregana nawe umagezi
ukimanya ni uryo muntu mukuru tenka yongeraho ibinda mbwene stane nko kweta kunda birungi mushija we
utyo
umushija wanje abayizira barumu tubankwata no go mushija ngumbe ni nkoregana nawe
bunyangaro wow
kubamara kutukwata
utyo
abataka ngo mbwenu umurubire ntwendo tugambire mu kintu kimwe okutugambira amazima yabeno koregana nakamacyanda ninga shok kwitegesha hati nyoma nko mushija ntanaza kwerwana nko mushija ibintu abibuzabuza umushija tangwisi zakagwe tabihura ho